So hello everyone, today in this video we are going to check dropshipping on Shopify. So if you want to start dropshipping on Shopify and you want to know that how does it work, that what is dropshipping and the ultimate guide. So dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, it purchases the item from a third party and it has been shipped directly to customer. Basically, that's known as dropshipping. So, is Shopify worth? If you want to learn a decent income by starting your side business, then dropshipping is definitely worth. And is dropshipping is profitable? Yes, dropshipping is very profitable. Dropshipping model is still profitable in 2021 and 22 because it's low risk business venture because you are not responsible for shipping and manufacturing. Dropshipping is also scalable on average profit margins between 15% and 20%. So if you compare Amazon and Shopify dropshipping, you can do FBA on Amazon